What are you doing, buddy? Are you running away? Are you trying to get off your sissy's... Oh, there's your sissy. Are you trying to get off your sissy's bed? Sydney, say something funny. Say hi.
Sweetie pie, Lily die. Every day, sweetie pie.
Is she funny?
Lily pie, Lily pie. Every day, sweetie pie.
Hello, puppy. I have a puppy in my way. There's a kitty. Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty. Hi, Roxy. Hi. We're all hanging out in Sydney's room. Are you trying to run away? Are you trying to run away? Huh? Where are you going? Here we go. Run away. Run away. What you thinking? What you thinking? Do you like hanging out in your sissy's room? Mm-hmm. What you think? What you doing, Sid? What you doing, Sid?
Look at my
What you doing, Sid?
stuff.
Looking at your stuff, huh? I think some of your stuff's a little too loud over here. Be careful. Did you hear that? Okay. I think we're gonna go. Can you make a pucker face for me? Where's my pucker face? Look at me. You're just gonna run away, huh? Okay, say bye-bye.